Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I'm going to turn this maple bear very beautiful blank. It's got a lot of burrs. It's actually very hard to find this size maple bear. Mostly you'd find small ones, especially where I live in United Kingdom. There's not much like this. I have another one as well. I purchased two. The other one I wanna turn a lidded box, but with African blackwood lid and foot for it. Let me know what you guys think, if that's a good idea, and if you have another idea for the same size blank which I have at home, then let me know in the comments below so I can look at your ideas what to make of the same one. But with this one, it's going to be a bowl, a nice deep bowl. Oh guys, check this out. Ooh. Such a lovely wood. There we have it, guys. All done. Check the grain. Whew. It's my first bowl out of maple burr. I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to also not sure if I should put my logo on, because there's a lot of burrs in there, but I think I have to do it. I've got the burrs inside anyway. Well, yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to about the lidded box I told you about. I've got a same piece with the same amount of burrs on it. So if you have any ideas for that, do share me. Otherwise, I'm going to make a lidded box, but with African blackwood foot for it, and African blackwood lid and finial. So I just thought I'll tell you guys ahead, so you can actually like give me ideas, or say if you agree with it or not. Yeah, thank you. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it. I appreciate all of you guys who watch my videos. I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.